Does your paycheck feel like a ghost? It's here on Friday, and by Monday it's vanished. You're not alone. Most people think budgeting for beginners means living like a hermit and saying no to everything fun. But here's the truth. A budget isn't a cage. A budget is your permission slip to spend on what you love without the guilt. Today, we're changing the game. In 5 minutes, we'll build a system that manages your money for you, so you can stop stressing and start growing. First, throw out the old idea that budgeting is about tracking every single penny. That's exhausting, and you will quit. Instead, think of budgeting like a financial engine. Every dollar has a job to do. If you don't give it a job, it wanders off into the pockets of companies you don't even like. The secret isn't tracking, it's automating. Before you pay your rent, your subscription, or your dinner, you must pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. If you wait until the end of the month to save what's left, you'll never save a dime. Let's keep it simple with the 50-30-20 rule. This is the gold standard for budgeting for beginners. 50% is for your needs: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. These are the things you need to survive. If your needs are taking up more than 50%, you don't have a spending problem. You have a housing or lifestyle problem, and we need to look at downsizing. 30% is for your wants: dining out, that Netflix subscription, hobbies. This is your guilt-free spending money. 20% is for your future: savings, debt repayment, investments. If you hit these numbers, you've mastered the game. You are secure, you are enjoying life, and you are building wealth. How do you actually do this? Automate it. The day your paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer for that 20% future money into a separate account. You never see it, so you never miss it. And here's a pro tip. Don't stress about the $5 latte. Yes, it adds up, but the big wins are in your fixed costs: a smaller apartment, a cheaper car, or renegotiating your insurance. That's where the real wealth lies. Focus on the big three: housing, transportation, and food. Master those, and the small stuff won't matter. You have a map. You have the engine. Now, you need to take the first step. Look at your bank statement from last month, just once, and see where you fell compared to the 50-30-20 rule. Don't judge yourself, just see it. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps more people find the path to financial freedom. Subscribe for more no-nonsense guides and comment below. What is your biggest financial goal this year? Let's hold each other accountable. See you in the next one.